What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, here to talk to you today about a 1-2 EDC combo. So EDC drivers, EDC ratchets are very common, especially with people who carry around multi-tools. I don't personally prefer to carry around a multi-tool. I'd rather carry around the individual tools, but that's just my personal preference. This is an option that you can carry around if you carry around the Pocket EDC kit. So this is the Observer Tools dual flex head ratchet, swivel head, open and swivel type T-bar. Gives you a lot of combinations. I got a stubby screwdriver, I got a ratchet, I got a T-bar. Close this up. I got a 45-degree angle. This is a very comfortable screwdriver. Just take my word for it, it's very comfortable. And if I open it up to almost straight, this is a very comfortable ratchet in my experience with this tool. So pairing this up with a bit extender will give you a lot of options and a lot of power. So, you know, different size bit extenders. You got impact drivers, Makita, this is Bosch, and this is a really cheap one that comes with really cheap tools. Different options, but pairing up with this allows you to reach into different places and you know, get to spots that you normally wouldn't be able to get to using a tool like this. And of course you can always break it down later on, and this will be very portable. Overall, this tool has been very good for me, Observer Tools, and it's very powerful because you have so much leverage and so many options with it. And along with the bit kit, it'll be set. This plus the bit extender plus a bit kit of your choice, you'll be able to handle many different situations. And if you desire, you can always take off the adapter that it comes with, put some sockets on, and now you have a regular socket driver or a nut driver or a T-nut driver. So a lot of different possibilities with this, and if you add one of these on, again, you just extend those possibilities out for an EDC pocket driver, or I think this would be more appropriate for an EDC kit driver. Let me know what you guys think, what drivers you use, what preferences you have. I'd love to hear about it in the comments.